In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an anti-wrinkle night cream at home that actually works. To make this cream, I have used all the natural organic ingredients. It doesn't have any chemicals in it. It has long shelf life because we are using natural preservative in this cream. It's full of goodness, and the pH of this cream is very similar to the pH of the skin, so it won't irritate your skin and you can use it and benefit and enjoy it. All the ingredients that I've used for making this cream is listed at the description box of this video, which all natural and organic ingredients from the different countries. You can go and purchase it and make this amazing cream by yourself at home. It's very simple and I'm going to show you how to do it. Add the dry calendula flower in a heat-proof glass. Add 100 ml of boiling water over it and cover the container and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain the flowers. We need 60 ml out of 100 ml of this water. Pour 60 ml of this water into the heat-proof glass. So measure 60 ml of the water and do not throw the remaining of this water because this is a best toner for your face cleansing. So keep it in the fridge and using a cotton bud, cleanse your face in the night with this juice. Using another heat-proof glass, add the emulsifying wax in it, add the Wheatgerm oil, add the Argan oil, place both of the containers in a normal frying pan. Make sure the containers fit in the pan. Place the pan over the heat. Add 2 cups of normal water in the pan. With the medium heat, let the water start to simmer until the emulsifying wax melts completely. This process might take about 20 minutes. Do not increase the flames. Once the emulsifying wax is completely melted, remove both of the containers from the pan. Add the water in the oil container, stirring frequently, making sure to get a uniform and smooth mixture. Stir for 1 minute and then let it rest for 1 minute and then stir for another minute until the cream starts to thicken. You can use the electric mixer for this as well. Once the cream is cooled down a little bit and it's a little bit thickened, using a digital scale, add 1 gram of preservative into the cream. Also add the lemon oil, as well as the frankincense oil. And mix everything well. The cream is ready to be transferred to the containers. These ingredients make about 100 mg of cream. The texture of this cream is perfect once it's completely cooled down. It's one of the amazing creams that you can ever have. It's completely natural without any chemicals ingredients in it, and you can use it in the nights and you can immediately feel the effect of lifting on your face after using this cream. Keep it in a cool and dry place and close the cap immediately after use. If you like my videos, please share my videos and please subscribe to my channel because I need your support for sharing my videos, liking them and subscribing to my channel in order to be able to go ahead. Thanks for watching.